back again. I hope you all are doing good. In this video we will learn how can we remove group admin on the Calendly app. So let's get started. Once you open the Calendly app, you will get this page. Go to the profile icon on the top, and here you have to click on the admin management, and in this page you will click on the groups option and you will see your group like this. Here you have to click on this and it will look like this. Now you just have to click on the three dots and you can remove as group admin. So this is your group admin, and once you click on the remove as group admin, so now this setting has been changed. Now it is not a group admin for you. You can see group admin no, member yes. So this is how you can just remove a group admin from the group. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.